Welcome back to Mario Sunshine. I have the hiccups and I'm dying inside.
Yes, if I die, it's because his hiccups distracted me.
If he dies, I have to eat another taki, which hasn't happened yet. So are you gonna go do the actual mission now?
What mission?
The new one.
On the thing, the Bowser machine.
Yeah, the Bowser machine. Oh hell no! He pulled up in the Bowser machine.
Is it not here?
Jump across. You can make that.
Almost forgot I played the game for a second.
Nah, like you got the skills to be able to do that without that. Like shit.
Oh, let me guess. Three freaking things been taken, right? Wait, where? This way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, sit back, watch this movie, bro. Damn. Yo, okay. Hide your shit, bro. Come on, we don't gotta see that. We don't need to see that shit.
Damn. Look at that. Fast and Furious?
Then he really pulled up in the Bowser machine. God.
Island. The villain's secret hideout must be there.
The secret hideout. Move the table a little bit closer.
What is this? Is this a cannon?
Yeah.
Oh. I overshot that.
I don't even think that's the right angle, Mario.
What's the machine's name? Water guy?
A what?
Hydro. I'm gonna call it Hydro.
Mecha Bowser. You have to go to the park. Who's this dude?
Over that way. Where?
Yes, I can see the fucking
Is that a volcano?
the door as you go the wrong way.
Volcano.
You're going the exact opposite
What
way.
is this? Something in here?
It's a blue coin. You can't get it yet. Just do the first steps. Just do the first mission. None of this matters right now.
I'm just exploring.
It sounds like you're drowning a flower. What's that? What? Oh, bro, if you don't get... How to expose these fuckers? You fool. Alright, so... Welcome to Canada's Wonderland. Prime tourist attraction for dumbasses. Jason, it's one of these again. You remember.
Oh,
He's moving!
bitch.
Bro, he's a schmoovin'. I'm Daredevil. Oh my god, it's so loud. The hiccup
I don't
episode.
want to do a boss.
I've had a hiccup stream, so it's a hiccup episode. Yeah, you're doing a boss fight, by the way.
I don't want to do a boss fight.
Too bad, he's Moses.
He really is Moses.
What happened? Did the perpetrator get away?
I don't know, do you have eyes? Do you... Can you not see the giant robot?
I didn't know this was Gundam, bro. Need Carnage.
That's Evangelion.
Oh shit. Sorry. Same. It's the same thing.
You pissed off one for it. That was a nice JPEG fire right there.
Why are you talking to me?
Is this a show? You guys are great.
Okay, yeah, okay.
As director of this park,
Okay.
you're the director of this park, and you don't have anything to say about the giant robot in the middle. So now you're up. on the roller coaster. You have to shoot him.
Shoot him.
You have to shoot him with the missile. You have to aim. You did not hit him. It's the same aiming like the thing in the PD fight. I have to get close to him.
This sucks. Oh my god.
Shoot him. Wow.
Come on.
You're
Reload.
getting
Reload.
hit. Just aim and shoot. There you go. You actually timed it so you don't get hit by the fire. You can actually spray the fire so you don't get hurt by it. Where is he? Oh shit.
Oh shit, that the fire was hit. Ow. Bowser. Reload.
You get it on the track.
Oh.
Well, yeah, so you can also shoot those missiles to get them away from you. Shoot the bit. Or shoot the bullet bill. Yeah, this fight sucks.
I can hear from the direction.
You're gonna die. Because you're supposed to not go like blow up the bullets before they hit you with the missiles. This is great. It's behind you. Shit, I'm gonna die. Oh, this is horrible. Oh, just you wasted it too. Come on, turn around. Shoot.
Did I miss?
You hit the corner. Oh shit, he died. I see this. Wait, I'm not eating a talking ball and pick up him. It's it sends you outside.
This boss sucks. I don't like this boss.
Unfortunately, you have to do it to progress the story.
What story? What is this story?
Black Mario. Or Mario Black. You think he has a rose form? Mario
Probably.
Rose?
Probably. I would say. What are those electro turtles, bro? Okay, like the new.
It makes you sit through this whole thing. Well,
I'm gonna die again.
you know in the original you couldn't skip the cutscene?
Sucks.
So you have to watch it every single fucking time.
I don't know. It's funny. This isn't even a fight. This is just. This is like. Not a fight.
Great commentary.
This is not it.
We're really good at commentating, by the way.
I see that. Oh.
Hey, you shot it away.
It's annoying because, like, when I have the missile, I can't really, like, get the missile.
Get him,
out.
get him.
Bitch.
Hey, direct hit. Shot him in the dick. Let's go. Come on, you get him. You are so good at this game. Shoot the... Where did it... Wait, spray the fire. Oop. There we go. Now you see what you have to do. Whenever you hear the, like the whistling sound, that's when the bullet's coming after you.
Do the missile.
Oh, shit. You didn't...
I didn't even see it.
You didn't see it as it's coming directly towards you. There's another one coming. There's another one coming right in front of you. I think you hit it, actually. What are you doing?
I hit him. No, I didn't. Oh, I did. Let's go.
You shot it through the thing, too. That was a
Oh
snipe.
my god.
Hit him. One more time. I think he won.
Was it really 3
No,
hits?
one more.
My god, bro.
Hit him. Come on. Just go. It's 5. One more. Oh, no, 4. You did it. Holy sh! That was a really good snipe. Like Jesus Christ. Like I've only seen speedrunners do that. You did it by accident too.
Yes. Man's got the soul stone in his staff. I don't want to fight. What?
That's a reaction video.
Leave my mama alone, you bad man.
What?
Let you take Mama Peach away. Mama Peach? I'm your mama?
Why don't
Bro, this
you don't sound that surprised?
these this dialogue's amazing.
My mama got
It's almost as good as a commentary.
Mario.
It's because why is he not blinking?
Is my magic brush. When I draw with this, all my wishes come true.
I draw a lot of hentai with this magic crush.
A strange old man in a white coat.
Dr. Cortex.
Dr. Michael Morbius.
Michael Morbius.
Papa told me everything.
Michael.
He never fights fair.
Oh.
You gotta try to outsmart Mario.
God,
So I tried to get Mario.
I feel so bad, bro.
So his plan was to get Mario sent to prison by framing him.
You
That worked.
That's a pretty smart.
following us.
That's a pretty smart plan for a fucking like two-year-old here. What's he doing?
Where's he going? What? Yeah, right.
No, not again.
Mario, just like shoot it. Pull out your Glock.
Pull up freaking powder mouth, bro. Shoot that down with a rocket launcher.
Shoot that piece of junk
Out of the sky! We gotta shine, baby. Let's go.
Only took us 12 minutes. It's shorter than last time, that's for sure. Shine.
Saving file. Yes. Blue. I'm back here? Can I go back?
Yeah, you're back to the. I mean, yeah, you can. It's a full world.
Okay, let's go. Let's
We're
explore.
gonna have a fun time.
Canada's Wonderland.
I like how the aiming. You're just gonna go directly into the water.
No, I
Yeah,
think it
that's,
goes and then it ricochets like.
Like bullseye.
Yes.
Mario's face would be like dead from that though. Park's closed.
Damn. Wait, what does it say? Can I read it?
Due to emergency.
Damn.
Maybe the giant rocket had some, or giant, like, robot had something to do with that. Alright, so you know what you gotta do here? You gotta beat this guy. Wow, so good. You have to throw bombs at him. So you have to spray the bomb. Spray the bombs and hit him. He'll just hide in there. You just stand there.
Now he won't attack me.
He still is.
Come out!
You can't do it that way. You have to break his. You have to 9/11 him. You gotta do the good old 1-2 special, 9/11 special, Spider-Man special. God, why am I hiccuping so much? Holy shit!
What do I do? I spray the bombs?
Yeah, spray the bombs and then pick them up. Now pick it up. It'll just automatically do it. Alright. And then throw it at him. And I'll do that 3 times. Oh shit. Never mind.
What was it? What is this? Can I eat this?
What are you doing?
Snipe him. Oh shit. Okay. Let's do this.
This is why we can't do short videos from on. This is why you can't do short videos. Because you're like, oh, okay, I get the mission. Completes, like, proceeds to just go the opposite way.
Can I get a star in this game?
No.
Really? Pick it up! Nah, I'm
It's gonna blow up. Pick that one up though. Just throw it up. Oh my god. Come on, bro. What are you doing?
Please.
Just get close to him. Like, you can jump and throw. Like, do a slam dunk. I don't think you hit him. You have to do a jump throw. Then Michael Jordan did. What the fuck?
Just got comboed. Can you grab it? My god.
It's because you're running and trying to grab it. Can't do that.
What is it like? Bro, there's no blast radius.
Oh, you never played basketball? Never played Mario Hoops 3-on-3? Throw it!
We're going this way.
Oh my god.
I need to get coins.
You're fine, you have 4 hits. You can do this. I believe in you.
I need a ward sword. Yeah. I don't like this island anymore. Yeah, throw it. Freaking.
Just throw it, it's gonna blow up. What? Oh, wow.
I did have to get a coin.
A coin that you didn't pick up.
I did pick it up. I'm at 5 hits.
Oh, okay.
Ow.
Great aiming.
Pin-
I think that's like one hit that you've gotten them so far. I wish. Okay, let's go. Full commentary style. All right. Hey, there you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, can I use that cannon to go to the other island? Is that
Like-
what this was for?
No.
What's
You
the
get-
cannon then?
You go to hell. It's never when you expect it.
That's bullshit.
This one's easy though. See, it's it's not that bad. I wish I wasn't hiccuping so I could actually talk,
Okay. So
but every time I try to talk, I hiccup. He's gone.
Nah, that's my fault. That's my fault. That's not Mario's fault. This is easy.
Yeah, it is easy.
And just
So why did you? Wait, you could have saved yourself. Did you game over?
I think so.
Yep. One more.
Let's not. Okay, so
Oh. Ooh. So you just gotta go around the thing, go up there and around there, and shimmy up the straw and down. God damn it! Please stop hiccuping through, please. I will actually. I'm gonna choke myself out. I'm gonna drown myself, bro. Bro, just run up there.
where? I could have gone there. Okay,
Run
wait.
on the thing, yeah.
Wait. I know where to go. Now. Go. There we go.
Okay, that's step 1. Now you gotta go there. That's easy. Just go. Right, yeah, there. There we go. You made a mistake. Oh.
Yeah, game over.
Well, time to cut to back to this area.
Would I have to find that guy again?
Yeah. Because oh my god, this is the worst time to record. Holy shit. Here, I'll get you back there. Hey, watch it. This is how a real man does it. Look at this.
Yes, I am but a child.
Look at this. Ready for this? Oh my god.
Nice. He's gaming.
Get up. Thank you. There we go.
He beat the game.
I like how it explodes, but the thing is still intact. Oh. Watch this. Watch his skills. Look. Back jump. Backwards jump. And then, oh, side flip. Oh, and then side flip. And then... Then... Yeah. There we go.
Just do what you did.
Oh, you like
last
how the
time.
background is Yoshi's Island graphics? You went too late. You went too late. Nah, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Now just wait for another cycle. Wait for another cycle. It's gonna come back around. Now go to that corner. Jump. You didn't jump. You pressed the wrong button, probably.
I have it down though. It's easy. The first part of this level. Yeah, so you just do the square Tetris piece strategy.
That's not a square.
It was a square.
That's not Tetris. That's which. What are you talking about?
The square at the first jump.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the L. The L shape.
I'll make it there. Wait. This goes boom. Squap.
I think it's changing patterns. Nice. Now you gotta climb up here.
Why?
The trampolines. It's easy. You got. You're not gonna fall off. Like, you're not gonna die if you fall off. Unless you really go off course. Just take hold of the physics, you know? Get the physics down. Oh. I like how you slowly slid down, too.
What's that way?
If
point?
if you fall off, it saves you. It
Oh.
saves you for the first one, but then you have to do it again, and if you fall off, you die. At least you have an extra life here. Can I please stop hiccuping for once in my goddamn life? It's really not that hard to not hiccup, but you know, it's really it's really fun.
Hey,
Viewers, if you're ever hiccuping and you need to stop hiccuping, just take your hand, take your hands, go find a rope in your closet, wrap it around your neck very tightly, and that'll stop you from hiccuping. Viewers, if you want to be good at video games, do the... I'm just kidding. Bro, this is easy. This is easy. It's easy. You just gotta...
doesn't the D-pad do anything?
No.
Why?
Why would it?
Stop. Mario, your job is to jump. Why? Why?
Yeah, he's jumping. He's doing his job.
This is literally the hardest part of this thing.
It's the easiest part. I can do this first try. I can do this first try.
One more. I promise. I promise. This is it. Right here.
You almost...
I'm pissed off now. This is bullshit. You see? There you go. I told you I can do it.
Yeah, that was totally him that did that. He's really good. Now you have to time this. Go. Dive to dive. Do the diving so you can move faster. See how fast you have to be? Do the same thing here. Do the dive jumps.
Oh my gosh. That's so dumb.
I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you how to be a gamer.
I would have made that too, bro. This is all because... What happened?
I could do this so easily. Look at this. Look at this shit. Alright, viewers, we're back. That's a sign for me to edit back here. You know, here, look at this. Just do that. And it's quick, easy, fun.
Gotta wait for the next one.
So we're gonna see if Ramon will be able to do this. Don't go for the life. Don't go for it.
I'm not.
Dude, dive! Oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
What happened? Bro, I'm so bad at this game.
He died, bro.
I'm really bad.
He died, dude.
It's because I play Destiny. I play bad games. I don't play good, well-designed games.
I don't think this game is that well designed. I mean, you know.
Wait, can you go for the life in the boxes?
Oh yeah, that's right. So he managed to do it perfectly back.
Nice.
Now that I want to do it, it's not gonna work. Watch.
More.
It's your time. It's time. It's like I'm telling you it's time for your execution day. Like, turn. Oh, no, go, 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 go. Oh, there's a gap right there. Jump it. Oh, that's a trolley gap. He did it, guys. It actually wasn't that long. Even though you said it was gonna be easy.
I like the sand one was my favorite. I like the one with
Yeah,
the
because
sand.
that's literally the easiest one in the game.
Yes. Sandman.
Sandman. You want to go back in the park?
Yes.
Okay. You like the park?
It's cool.
You like the stones?
Yes. And I like to see Mario just go to the bird.
We're sending the first Italian to the moon, boys!
Is the park open?
Yes. Red coins. Oh, the pirate shit. Oh god. Ramon, I'm so sorry.
What?
You'll
Coins?
see. You'll see. Also, you love how it has to load in the entire park. Even though it already loaded in the stage, you have to get over 8 red coins. Also, this music's cool.
Get electro turtles, bro.
So, go to the pirate ships. Those have most of the red coins. Ooh, and M! We haven't seen one of those in a while. Get a blue coin. 3 blue coins. How much do you think blue coins are worth in real money?
7.
Just 7. You have to use your hover nozzle to balance, like not fall off. You know what I'm saying? Like once it seems like you're gonna fall off, jump and use your hover. But you have to go up there to get the red coins. I think he's starting to lose it with this game, viewers. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ooh, yeah. I think there's another one on the other side. No, there's not. No, there's not. No, there's not. After 3 rotations, it...
Oh, I'm still on it!
I thought so too. I also thought I stopped hiccuping, but you know, guess what? I'm still hiccuping, baby! You don't have to... You don't have to commit genocide on these islanders.
It deserve it, bro. I need a refill, actually. Where's it landing? Here?
Just go in the thing. There. Just like, yeah.
I see an X. The X. The X.
Yeah, are you gonna get the X?
No. I see another X.
Whew.
I'm too late.
Okay.
I'm too late. I'm
No,
dead.
you're fine. Fine. I'll jump on the next one.
Let's jump. Crash into me.
Damn.
Bro, if only I had like the grapple from Halo Infinite.
The
This would
Halo
be so
Infinite
much-
grapple.
This would be so much easier.
That would be fun though. It's go like. Yeah, but then it like starts swinging you around, and you just start flying, because it does a full like 360 degree rotation.
Did I see that right? What the hell was that?
I think you're seeing things. I think you're seeing
What
things.
the hell was that? Hey, sure, Mario.
This is a well-designed game. This is a very well-designed and well-made game.
Bro, I can't wait to play Odyssey, bro.
We're gonna do Odyssey. I mean, if you want to.
I can't wait to play frickin' Luigi's Mansion 6.
That sounds like a bootleg title.
Don't
Okay, don't
don't
pull a Ramon. Where's the red coin here? I think it's on the other side.
don't go through it, please.
Okay, go to.
Okay. Okay.
I've never seen that glitch before. You've done it 3 times.
I'm gonna go for the other ones.
Where are the other?
I saw one like under a fence.
Yeah.
But I don't.
I want to go under a fence right now watching this. You're going the wrong way.
No, I just came here to get a refill.
You knew this was here.
Yes. What is this?
Bricks.
Why does it look like that?
Because they're bricks.
But like, why is it not bluish?
Because they're bricks.
Ooh! I didn't even see that.
Oh, that's not for now. You can do that later. You get a shine. You get a shine sprite here later, but it hasn't spawned yet. So just don't worry about it. Just go.
How do I get up top?
You have to go on the ships.
Of course I have to go on this shit. This isn't doing anything. Yeah, I just... Okay, sure.
Yeah, you have to go on the ships. So, try again at your luck. It's the balancing game that is swinging ships. Have you ever been on one of those rides before?
No. I don't want to either. I'm not a big, like, rides person.
What about water slides?
What? I like water slides.
Okay, don't pull a remote inception.
Look! You see him?
It's because you're standing on the poles. You're standing on the poles again.
Oh my god. I'm losing my mind, bro.
See, aliens don't like the poles. They like the coins. Here, I'll
Here, triangle.
I'll do it.
Triangles.
Here, I'll get this coin for you. See, look at this. I'll even get you up here.
You see? You see when someone knows how to... You can do that?
Yeah. Now get the other coin.
Bro, look at the arm strength on Mario, bro.
Just watch out for the guy. You have to knock him out again. Like, go back up. Press Y.
I didn't even press my light.
What did he press?
I pressed B.
Oh, I guess press B then. If you pressed Y, you might have let go. Oh, you could do you could like spin and jump up there. You have to hover.
That's right.
You know the main mechanic of this game. Are you
on top of this?
Don't pull a GTA 5. Don't pull a GTA 5 and try to stop the roller coaster, please. I don't even think that the roller coaster is running.
Any coins that way?
No, they're all up top. So you have to get past the ships of death again.
The freaking Pirates of the Caribbean ships.
Oh no. I'm on top of the pole.
Freaking Pirates of the Caribbean.
See, I promise you, viewers, our commentary will get much, much better once we get practice and once I'm not hiccuping. You know? You hear? You hear what I was saying?
Viewers at home, what is your opinion of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies?
They're.
I think they.
I haven't seen them still.
I think they're really good movies.
That's such a very great and detailed opinion.
Okay. Please tell me it's the last one. Up there. It's not. How many?
No.
I need,
You need
three
three
more.
more. Yeah, 3 more.
But. Speak. Oh, it's over here. Freaking Pirates of the Caribbean, bro. Music? Hans Zimmer, bro. Hans Zimmer also did the music for the Dark Knight trilogy.
Are you gonna?
you know that?
You're just go.
Hans Zimmer. He's the GOAT, bro.
Han.
He also did the
Hans Zimmer.
music
Oh.
for like the Earth movies with David Attenborough.
Attenborough?
You know him?
No.
He's like the British guy. He does the Earth movies.
British.
British, like
Earth? What do you mean Earth movies?
like what the movies they show like the animals and like plants and trees and stuff.
Oh, the ones that like.
And he's like, the animal in his natural habitat is eating the
so
deer.
so Natural Geographic.
Yes.
Um,
Those. Yeah, but
Mario.
Hans Zimmer did those.
Mario, please. What?
I thought Hans Zimmer did Star Wars, but I was
You know
wrong.
what? Hold on. Watch this. Ready? Watch this. Watch this.
He's gaming! That was my stomach.
Roll camera.
Viewers at home,
Here you go.
let me know. Let me know if you're
Oh, I
right.
think you have to. You can't hit those guys. They're gonna kill you. I guess you can just. Oh yeah, you have to go underneath. Oh, I don't think you care.
I don't. 6.
At least
How do
they
I
heal
go
you.
under?
Ooh, wait. Look to your left. There's a coin over there.
How do I go
Look,
under?
you go like on the bottom thing, and like flip under. But no, look to your left.
Yes.
You want to get that first?
No.
Just spin jumping, go all the way over there.
Yeah, spin jumping.
I'll do it. Easy.
Are you talking about the blue coin on the green?
No, the red coin.
Where?
There, on the green box.
You're gonna go all the way there?
Yeah.
From here? Ooh! Nice!
Look at that skill.
He did it. Chat, not chat.
Now,
Comments.
I like how this isn't even. This is just us taking turns now.
Comments. It's because I'm that bad at the game. I'm so bad that like.
Well, I'm still making you do the hard parts. I'm just
Yeah, like
kinda
I tried
interjecting.
first, and then he helps out.
I'm just interjecting, you know, making
You know?
an objection.
He's
you
doing
know?
intermissions.
The Inception intermission.
Yes.
And I have to climb back up.
Bro, look at that. Look at that arm strength, dude. He's
He's not even
one
holding.
arm.
He's not even holding on to anything.
Bro, that's how powerful Mario is, dude.
Well, you have to go back up. You have to go like to the top.
Yeah, but I have to go on the other side of it.
Oh
right?
yeah, that's right. I mean, you can knock those guys out first by hitting them from underneath, so you don't die. We'll be right back, viewers. I need to show this man a lesson on how to play video games. You died. You pressed the right button before, so I thought you knew, and then you just pressed the opposite button. See, now I can't even do this anymore.
Oh.
Like, your skill is spreading to me.
It's like the cottage all over again.
Just like the hiccups that are gonna spread to you. Hold up. Viewers, we're back. I'm just gonna grab that blue coin, you know? I'm just gonna grab that blue coin.
Viewers, if you made it to this part of the video, I want you to comment.
Viewers, if you made it to this part of the video, I'm so sorry.
Comment. Ramen perfected. Sucks. Don't type that, please. Yeah, I'm
totally gonna
I'm
type
not
that
a-
on my actual account.
I didn't need to do that.
Bro, come
I
on.
didn't need to do that.
It's easy. This
How
game
long?
is easy.
42 minutes, you
We're
got
ending,
two
we're,
shines.
we're ending the video after this.
Two shines.
We're ending the video after this. This video is cursed. This recording is cursed. I've had the hiccups all time.
I'm getting worse.
Yeah, you're doing the opposite of what humans usually do when they do something over and over again. You know, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result.
No, I'm not going there.
Okay, maybe don't jump over it this time.
I'm gonna just tank these hits, I don't care.
You could kind of just go around them, though. Or I guess you could... What?!
What? Bro, come on, dude.
He's taking a stretch. Here, you know what? Fine, I'll help you out.
Bro, this is because Elon Musk on Twitter.
Elon Musk caused this.
It's his fault. Even though like I want a Tesla, I would really like put like a Tesla, but I don't want one anymore because this is all his fault.
Okay, here, it's your last chance. If you somehow mess this up now, after I cleared out all of the guys,
I'm gonna miss the jump for the shine.
see you guys next episode.